Today I want to take a look inside of this solar light. This is actually the cover to one of those outdoor solar lights that would be put in a garden. There's a switch here to turn on and off the light. The switch is very hard to move compared to what it normally should be. There's also a little bit of rust in the switch. There's an LED and 3 screws, and these 3 slots is where it would attach to the light fixture. Now we'll remove the screws to take a look inside of it. And I kind of forgot that there is a solar panel on the top. Removed all the screws. And this is what's inside. This explains why the switch was super hard to move. The whole circuit board is corroded. This unfortunately means that I won't be able to make a schematic of it, because I can't see the tracks on the board. But there is a rechargeable battery of some kind, the circuit board, the solar panel up here, and the control chip on the circuit board. This is the first time I've ever seen this. A leaky rechargeable battery. Surprising. Might be just corroded from moisture. I don't know. Now that I removed the battery, I will remove the circuit board. Here's the top of the control board. There's a little inductor here. It's LED. The switch and a 4-pin controller chip, which is YX805 5L202. Interesting. Here's a closer look at the control board. So this is what is inside of an LED solar rechargeable garden light thing. I will keep the solar panel for use in future experiments, and I might even keep this little LED.